The Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market is heating up and people are starting to pay attention. Many of us have been curious about it, and what's great is that it's easier than ever now to buy crypto. The world has changed significantly over the past few years at an extreme pace, with more and more people becoming aware of the failing economy and monetary system. And now we are looking for alternatives to protect our purchasing power, to build wealth, so we can take care of ourselves, our families, and maintain and gain more freedom over our lives. For some of us, the alternative is Bitcoin and crypto. So how can we buy it and how can we do it safely and securely? Hi, my name is Lamia, and in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin and crypto using different exchanges, centralized and decentralized. I won't go deeply into security as I have covered it in this video. With an ever-increasing number of people looking for ways to secure their financial future, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a beacon of hope. They offer a means to not just protect, but also to potentially grow our wealth in ways traditional finance system can't match. Before we dive into buying cryptocurrencies, it's important to understand the requirements, especially for centralized exchange. For KYC, know your customer procedures, you will need a few things ready. First, access to a laptop or desktop is recommended. You can also do it from your mobile phone, but I don't advise it for security reasons. Plus, you will have more options on a PC. However, for this video, I'll be demonstrating how to buy cryptocurrency using Binance and MetaMask from a PC and Coinbase from mobile app. You will also need your phone to complete verification for KYC. A hardware wallet like a USB stick or pen and paper are essential to securely write down your seed phrases, secret phrases, and passwords. And lastly, your identity documents. When signing up to an exchange, you need to complete KYC, which will require a picture or a scan of your documents. But for decentralized exchange like MetaMask, you don't need to complete a KYC process. If you want to learn about the difference between centralized and decentralized exchange, watch this video. We'll start by Binance, then move to MetaMask, and then Coinbase. Each platform has its steps and requirements for buying crypto, but I will guide you through the process for each. Starting with Binance, you will undergo the KYC process by submitting your ID documents and possibly a selfie. Signing up with the exchange is extremely easy and straightforward. I have a full tutorial step by step on how to open a Binance account that you can watch here. Literally, it takes 30 seconds to buy crypto after opening an account. Once you have opened the account, let's buy some crypto. Click on the Buy Crypto tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see different options available for buying crypto. The simplest and quickest way is to choose Buy Crypto via bank card. Now you have two options. First, you can buy crypto directly from the list of available cryptocurrencies, or second, you can buy a stable coin like Tether USDT, which is tied to the US dollar. This means its price will stay stable until you decide to convert it to another cryptocurrency or make a purchase with it. If you decide to buy directly, select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from the list. For this occasion, we are going to choose BTC, Bitcoin, from the list. Enter the amount you want to spend in your fiat currency, and Binance will automatically show you how much crypto you will get in exchange based on the current market. If you choose to buy USDT, follow the same process. Select USDT from the list, enter the amount in your fiat currency, and see how much USDT you will get. After deciding what to buy and entering the amount, click on the Continue button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your bank card details and fill the requirement information. Since my card details are already registered with Binance, so in my case, I will just select the pre-registered card, review your transaction details, including the total cost and the amount of crypto or USDT you're buying. Make sure everything looks correct, agree to the term and condition, and click on the Confirm button to complete your purchase. Once your transaction is processed, The purchased crypto or USDT will be deposited into your Binance wallet. You can then use it for trading, holding, or converting to other cryptocurrencies, or even send it to someone else or to any of your other wallets, as you wish. Amazing. Next is MetaMask. I have a step-by-step video on how to open a MetaMask wallet that you can watch here. After successfully opening your MetaMask wallet, open the MetaMask on your browser extension, click on the three dots and click on the expand view. Click on buy and sell. You will be redirected to this page. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Just to let you know that while using MetaMask's fiat on-ramp feature, you will need to complete verification. However, this verification is not for MetaMask itself, but is for the third-party services that facilitate the deposit of fiat currency. This step ensures secure transactions between your bank and the crypto wallet. Another option is to buy from, for example, Binance, as we did earlier, and then send the tokens to MetaMask. You can watch this video that has step-by-step instructions on how to send BNB from Binance to MetaMask. Now, choose from the available options. These options vary depending on the country you are residing in. In my case, in the UK, we have only one option, and that's with Ramp. As you can see, I have used it previously, so I'm already verified with them. You just have to follow the steps required. Now select continue with Ramp. Select the currency, in my case GBP. I will automatically select BNB as it's the default option. Or click here and search for an asset. At the moment, the only option available is BNB. You can see the rate of BNB at the time of recording this video. Click on details, and here you can see the ramp fees and the network fees and the total fees. Now click proceed. Like I have mentioned earlier, I'm already verified with Ramp. Otherwise, you may need to provide your payment details by following the steps required. If you are in the UK, you have to answer some crypto risk assessment questions. Once you pass that, you will be asked to enter your wallet address that you can get from here. Copy and paste it, then click on buy now. Verify your payment with your bank. Once the transaction is successful, the purchased crypto will be deposited into your MetaMask wallet. Transactions usually take few minutes, but can vary depending on the network congestion and the payment method used. Now you can swap to any asset you would like to swap to by clicking swap from BNB to, and you can select from the list or enter the name or token address on the search. I highly recommend swapping using the address and only get it from CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So head to CoinMarketCap, look for the token you want to swap. Let's select Injective, for example. Go to contracts, click on more. Make sure to select the BNB Smart Chain BEP20 as we are swapping on a BNB chain. Copy the address, go back to MetaMask, paste the address, click enter, amount, swap. Also make sure to add the token to MetaMask so you can see your asset by clicking on the import token. Paste the same address, click next, import. Amazing. Now let's go through the steps to deposit and buy from Coinbase mobile app. Open your mobile app, click on these dots on the top left side corner, select convert, select buy, choose the amount you want to spend, choose the cryptocurrency you want or search for one, choose which account you want to pay with or add a payment method, review the order, select buy now, confirm with your bank, and that's it, order submitted. As we wrap up this tutorial, it's important to know that you cannot directly buy Bitcoin from MetaMask. However, but you can do so from Coinbase or Binance as we did in this tutorial. While MetaMask might seem more complicated due to its decentralized nature, it offers enhanced safety features that many users prefer. To truly understand the advantages and distinction between centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance and decentralized exchange that MetaMask interact with, I highly recommend watching this video about centralized versus decentralized exchanges. All what you need to know. This will give you a clear insight into why, despite the initial complexity, using a decentralized platform like MetaMask can be more secure and beneficial in the long run. But remember, as beginners, starting with more user-friendly platforms such as Coinbase or Binance might seem easier and can be a good entry point into the world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, please share it, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and guides. Your support helps us create more content to demystify the world of cryptocurrency and assist you on your investment journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.